No, you're on the railroad. It's all you. Negative. We got line back. Oh, bad.
Actually, it's still legal.
Good. BC 764.